Hello, welcome guys. Welcome to a new great, fantastic episode of Crypto Milad. Today we're gonna have a great show. We're gonna discuss the Bitcoin price because the Bitcoin price, guys, it's a little bit in doubt. The people don't know really what they are doing and where the if it goes up or down. That's the question of today, guys. So will it go up or will it go down or will it go sideways? What it will be, it's also very important for the meme coins because, guys, we are heavy in meme coins in this channel and we want to know what is the price of Bitcoin doing in these days. So what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna first take a fast look at the Bitcoin price because I think that's very important to know where the meme coins prices also go. What we also gonna do, guys, we're gonna take a look at Pepe and we're gonna take a look at Hoppy and we're gonna take a look at Phil the dinosaur, guys. Three meme coins. What we're gonna discuss today. We're gonna dive in the meme coins. We're gonna see what is the highest probability that the price will be in the sooner time frames. Everything in this channel, guys, is not financial advice. I'm just giving my opinion here in the channel. I'm just trying to say how I do the things with my experience in the crypto. It's of almost 11 years, guys. So let's go to the charts. I think that's the most important right now. Let's go to the Bitcoin charts. I'm gonna make this chart a little bit smaller so you can see better the charts and less my face. So, guys, the Bitcoin price, like you guys know, the Bitcoin price was yesterday falling to a 65k. Um, Here in the chart, you can see it was a dip. It was a fast dip to 65k. A lot of people in the market, they talk, okay, this is now the dip, and you see it at the price because the price, it went up from that point very fast. It went to 66k 200 directly, and from there we went even higher. It went to 67,500, but at 67,500, guys, the bulls took over the bears took over the control in this point. So the bulls lost the control and the bears took it over, and they pushed the price back to 66k 800 700. What's now the price, guys? One thing I want to tell, guys, because of the elections of 5 November, it's already in 12 days, there is some doubt in the market. The people don't know really which way the price will go. And I think this also, of course, if you don't know where the price will go, because this is a big thing in all the world and also in the market, because United States is very strong in the crypto market, in the normal market, in any economic way they have their position. So it's important who will be the president there. And of course, it's the lying the pump of Bitcoin also. So I think the big money, it's waiting for the decision. It's waiting for 5 November to see who will win the elections, and then there is no doubt anymore, because then there is clarity. In that moment, it doesn't even matter who wins, but there is clarity in the market. The people know again what they can expect in the near future. And I think that's very important for the big money, guys. And I think that's the problem at the moment. That's why I think this upcoming week, upcoming 12 days until the election, I think there will be a little problem for a big pump. But that doesn't mean that the meme coins cannot pump. Like you see, Hoppy, it took over control again. It was at the point that it was a little bit lower at 0.002. And that was a great price, I think, to buy some extra Hoppy bags, guys. So about the Bitcoin price, guys, I can see one thing in the Bitcoin price. We can expect a drop, guys, between 62 and 64k. That's what I expect. It's possible. I don't say it will happen, guys. I think it's possible. And why I saying that? Why I say that in the short term, a pullback to 62k, 64k, it's possible. I will show you guys why I tell this. Like you see, guys, there is some trend line what we need to what you can see here, this support line, trend line, support line, whatever you want to call it, you can see it go to the upside. But this you can see today it's at 62k, the point of this support line at 62k. But let's say until 12th November, until 12th November, sorry, 5 November, then it's at 564k. So that's why I think there is a chance that we have a drop before 5 November in this range, what you see here between 62 and 63 and a half, 64k. I think that's a chance of 50, 60%. The other 40, 50% is, guys, that this was the bottom at 65k, and from here we will go step by step up until it's 5 November, and then maybe at 5 November we are around 68, 68, 69k, and from that point we make one big move, one big candle directly to the around the 80k, guys. I think that's also possible. And when that happened, guys, when that happened, put your seatbelts, because you're gonna see some massive price changes in the market for the meme coins, because that's the moment that the meme season gonna start. I'm gonna say it one more time, guys. The moment 5 November that everything will go positive and the price of Bitcoin will go up, and the president will be chosen. And if it's Trump, it's even better. In that moment, guys, we can expect the explosion in the market, because then the money come inside the market, and the money, when the money comes inside the market, guys, when the cash flow comes inside the market, we can expect a crazy move to the upside. And then, guys, I gonna put my seatbelts. I hope you guys are loaded and put your seatbelts, and then we're gonna have a great begin of November, all November, December, and the first month of 2025, January, guys. I think this will be great 3 months for us to have a great season, a great meme season, guys. So I'm very excited on that. The only thing, guys, from the daily charts, what I don't like, and that's why I gave it the 60% chance that we can reach to this range of 61, 61 and a half, 62 until 64 as a pullback, because of the MACD. Like you see, guys, the MACD, it's really looks that it's gonna the green line gonna cross the red line. And when that happens, guys, we can expect a little drop down. A little drop down, maybe, let's say, the last time when that happened, guys, we had a drop of, let me check here. We had a drop of 8% before it went up again. So the bottom was at 8% drop. Let's see how much will be 8% from here. Which price we will have. Let's say 8%, guys, it will be around 61,500. So maybe the chance is there that we can have a drop on 61,500. Maybe that will be the ultimate dip to buy Bitcoin, to buy other coins, to have the last chance to get some bags full for the big move for the last 3 months of the year, guys. And I think this will be a crazy move. I really expect this. So it's really, we are really in doubt. So, or we gonna have a big a pullback until 60, around 62k, or we will just have a sideways price range between 65, 67, 65, 66, 67, 68, around that time until the elections, guys. So I give it a little bit of 50 or 40, 60. I give it a little more percentage that we're gonna have a last pullback in the market. I hope it doesn't happen, but if it happened, guys, I'm prepared, and I hope you guys are also prepared because there is a realistic chance that can happen. But we will see it in the upcoming 10 days. I think, guys, that's enough for Bitcoin. I think this was the most important chart. I don't go into the weekly and the other time frames because I think we could see in the daily and the 4 hour quite good what's in the short term will happen. Because at the moment, guys, we are just in the short term because I see this 12 days as short term. And after that, guys, I will be super bullish. I don't think we will have any problems after 5 November. After 5 November, I think we have a big move up, and that's what I expect. So I hope it's clear, guys. For that's how I think about the market at the moment, and let's hope for the best. Right now, let me take one sip of the coffee, guys. Sorry. And then, guys, we go to our favorite frog. Our favorite frog. I don't even need to say the name because you guys know who is our favorite frog. That's Hoppy, guys. Our favorite frog Hobby, what gonna give us a lot of gains, hopefully. I have a lot of faith in Hoppy, guys. Like you know, guys, what we discussed also yesterday, Hoppy had a pullback. And I saw some people in Hoppy, they get a little bit nervous. This record formation, this channel record formation where we in and where we were in, and I told you yesterday, guys. I hope we don't break it. But I hope we don't break this line. This line, which you see here, this support line. Let me put it here a little bit that you can see it even better. Like this support line, what you here see here. I told you guys, I hope this support line will hold because if this support line will not hold, then the next area was quite lower than the area now. It was like even a 25% again from the price down, or even more maybe. Let's say from the price of yesterday was even a 40% down, guys. And of course, I hope that didn't happen. That didn't happen, but it didn't happen. So the Bulls of Hopi. So we are the Bulls, guys. We are the team. We are the Bulls. We defended very good this line, this support line, what you see here, and we are now above even this rocket formation. And I hope, guys, that we can stay above it because what Bitcoin does, like of course, if Bitcoin have a very big drop in a couple hours, a big dip, all market will be in a panic, guys, and also the Hopi coins will be a little bit in danger because that means that we can have a pullback. But until now, if it goes slowly, maybe it doesn't need to affect a coin like Hopi because Hopi, guys, it's its own. It has its own kind of investors in it, and I see we are very we have a big belief in Hopi, and that's not for nothing, guys. I think Hopi will give us great rewards in this market in this last couple of months of the year. I think maybe when Christmas comes, guys, Hopi gonna give us not the Christmas man gonna give us the presents. I think Hopi gonna give us some presents, guys. This year, I think Hopi will be the Christmas man for us. I think Hopi will give us a great reward that we believed in this project, that we believed in this coin, that we are a strong community. And I think this is so important for any meme coin. And with a lot of other meme coins, guys, I see that the community is not such strong as the community of Hopi what we are in, guys. So we are in a great community. Uh, I think we can be very happy. We can be that we are in a community like this, and of course, it's also our own choice. We found it self by ourselves, and we saw the situation, and we went inside it. And we are just a little group in this world, guys, that is in Hoppy. And we're gonna. I think the group will be bigger and bigger and bigger because Hoppy, guys, it's making some crazy name. Hoppy, it's spreading the words, and not in a negative way, in a very positive, strong way, because I cannot find nothing in the internet what's talking bad about Hoppy, guys. Try to search in internet if you can find something bad about Hoppy. I tried to find it and I couldn't, guys. So that's a very good sign, guys. That means The coin is strong. Our frog is strong. Our frog is ready to make a big jump, guys. And just we are waiting for this elections, guys. This is the only thing what is in front of us. What is like something what is in front of what doesn't let us go inside this big bull run. And we are almost there, guys. A little bit of patience. We are together. We are this upcoming days, upcoming weeks until the selection. We are together. We're making daily videos. We're gonna discuss all about this thing. If there is some news, if there is something new, I will discuss it with you guys. I will bring it to the channel. And so make sure that you are subscribed, that you share this with your friends. So if you guys share these videos, like I try to give also some news, spread some news in the internet about Hoppy, guys. You guys can also do that through sharing this kind of videos with friends, with family that also like this kind of subjects and also like to make some gains in the market. And maybe, guys, we can really make a big coin. Maybe Hopi it's the next Pepe. I really think it's a possibility that Hopi is the next Pepe. Maybe in a half year time, this price what you see here, you see disappear the two zeros behind in front of it, and we are at a totally different price, guys. And that's why I say, guys, in trading, in 11 years trading experience, guys, I learned one thing, that sometimes over trading, it's just bad. It's just you're going to lose your money. Sometimes you think, oh, now we are at the top. Oh, now we are in this moment. And you're going to take some money out. And before you know, guys, the price is going a lot more up and you regret and you're going to buy another higher price and you have less of a coin what's worth so much in the future. And just think twice, guys. Like, this is not financial advice. I don't want to give you guys put you guys in a direction or something. Just always make your own research, always do your own investigation. Just in my opinion, guys, sometimes if you see a very nice project, just put your seat belts, just relax, don't worry of the pullback of 30%, 40%. Just relax and put your seat belts and watch surprises, watch some videos about it, and just enjoy the road to to some great gains, guys. And I think we are in some good great projects, and I'm gonna make some new project. I'm investigating always, guys, like new project. If there comes some new Hopi, if there comes some new Pepe, I will share it in an early stage with you guys. So make sure that you also ring the bell, because when I make the videos and you see the videos as first, of course you have a better price in generally. And also, what I explained yesterday, guys, try to buy always in steps. Don't be too greedy. Don't think, oh, this will now fly and I need to go now inside. Always breathe, always relaxed, and put your money always in a couple different, like, put it like if you want to buy it in, at least in 2 3 steps, guys, because that means that you will spread the price. If it's go down, then you don't regret, oh, I bought it for a higher, too high price. No, you buy it for lower and lower, and then in the end you have an average price that's quite good, and you can you can have good gains with it. I think that's a thing. I think that's a risk management what you should consider. You need to have a plan. If you buy in once, of course, maybe one time the price will go up and and it will never go back, and you cannot buy the other parts what you reserved for it. But in the most cases, I think maybe 90% of the cases, if it's even not more, that's not the case. We have always pullbacks, guys. There will always be a pullback. There will always be a new thing to discover. There will always be a chance, guys. Just be patient. Don't be too rushy. Like, this concept of this mentality, this thing of being too rushy, it's just not good in the game of the market. And I think it's not even in the crypto market or the stock market or the trading market. I think it's in life. Always be patient. Never be too hungry. Never think only about the money. Think about the good way of trading. Think about the good way of doing your work, doing your daily things. And that is the main thing, guys, to success. Because if you only are focused in money, it's just you are too focused in the money and you get greedy and you get emotional. And I think that's not good in the market, guys. Always think clear and be relaxed, a deep breath, and then make a plan for buying, guys. It's the same like you go to the dentist, and your dentist at the moment he's making your teeth, he's talking about money and the price and things like this. I think that's just not, it's not the way how you should work, guys. You should, of course you should think about money, of course you should think about how you make money, and a plan. Just like make a plan, and when you make the plan, just go for your plan, and in that moment don't think too much about money. Just focus about how can I be a better trader, how can I do it better. Learn from your mistakes, learn from mistakes of other people, because if you learn from mistakes of other people, you have, you just have free experience. Like I know it's important, like I know it's difficult, let's say it like that. I know it's difficult to learn from other people's mistakes. I think that's very difficult. I think the most people learn from their own mistakes, because that's hurts you from inside, and that's give you the power to make some effort, more effort to learn, to progress. I think, and that was my case, but I don't know, everybody is of course different, but I think with the most people that's like that. But also try to learn a little bit from people you respect, guys, because this kind of people, they are, I know there is not so much real people in the internet, in the nets. A lot of people, they are just here in the market to make money from other people, without giving some good value, some good things back. Like my concept is, guys, I don't do this for money. I already make my money in my life with other things also, and with trading. I don't make this channel for making money. I just make this channel to give some knowledge to the guys what are new in the market, because I know how hard this is, how hard it can be in the beginning. I know how excited you can be in the beginning in the trading, and you put your money here and there and there, and in the end you make the wrong decisions, guys. You should be very difficult in making your decisions. Always think twice, always think three times, always make a good plan. I cannot say this enough, and I just say this, guys, to avoid that you guys avoid the risk that you lose all your money in the market, because I know the most of the people here in the channel, they work hard for their money. They don't want to lose their money, they want to grow, they have some idea, they're already here in the market, they already talk, okay, I want to make something in the market. Just, guys, the market, it's a jungle, guys. The market, it's not easy. The market, there is a lot of smart people inside this market. And you know, the market works like, if I lose money, somebody else wins my money. If I win money, somebody else loses money. That's how it is, guys. And we in this channel need to be the lion of the jungle. If we are not the lion of the jungle, then we become some weak animal in the jungle, what will lose and what will die in this market, guys, without money. And then other people get our money. Other people get our money out our hands in an easy way, and that's not correct, guys. That's not what I'm here for in the market. That's not what I want to learn, you guys. So I hope you guys can learn something from this advice, and I hope you don't rush in nothing. Okay, guys, enough about Hoppy. So I expect Hoppy at this moment maybe make a pullback, because we are in a good road there, guys. We came already up from the dip. Look, from the dip, we are already up until this point, 17, 18, 19, 20% almost, guys. So let's see how far we can go. Maybe we, in a couple of days, we are already in the all-time high again. And then from there, we push again 20, 30%. Who knows, guys? Who knows? It looks good. Hope it looks strong. So let's now go to the next coin, guys. The next coin will be Phil, guys. The dinosaur. Phil the dinosaur. Let's see at what position Phil the dinosaur it's at this moment, guys. Phil the dinosaur, it's at number 623. It has 3 times less market cap than Hoppy, but it's also it's a lot more newer coin than Hoppy. So it's already in a good position of 37 million. For this Phil coin, it's already quite good. I can see in the bull market after a couple of weeks this coin growing a lot, guys. I think this Phil token it have some potential to grow, and it doesn't do this bad, guys. It doesn't go bad at all. Like you see, it went up a lot. It has a little pullback, and from here we already decide to go a little bit up again. Phil, the support, guys, of Phil is at 3 cents. That's the big support. I hope we don't lose it. I don't think we lose the 3 cents. And yeah, let's see if we can break the 5 cent, guys. If we break the 5 cent, then the sky's the limit. Then I see maybe soon the 10 cents, guys. And who knows where Phil can go. Phil can have big growth, and I think Phil have also a great community. I think the Phil people, investors in Phil are also nice people and good people. It's absolutely not a toxic community. And I think this coin have some more gains for us. And let's see how far we can go up with this coin, guys. In the 1 hour, let's see. Like in the 1 hour, you see we have some down movements. Okay. Like we have some steps to go. Like we should break the 4 cents. And when we broke the 4 cents, we need to break we have a support at 4.5 cents, and then the main support at 5 cents, guys. If we can break the 5 cent, this point, this line, then we are ready to go a lot more up with our friendly dinosaur Phil, guys. I also wanted to take a fast look to Pepe. Pepe is here. Because Pepe, it's really like a little bit different coin than, for example, Hoppy at the moment. Because like Hoppy sometimes it go against Bitcoin, but we cannot say the same about Pepe. And what makes me very concerned about Pepe, guys, and you guys knew I went in Pepe at 890 at this point when Bitcoin dropped at 59K. I bought also some Pepe at this point at 890. You can see this red line here I buy. But guys, I decided to go out Pepe. Why? Because we broke this trend line, this structure. We closed under it, and that's normally not good. And then we tried to go up again, and then it was rejected. And that's normally not a good sign, guys. That normally a sign that we can expect a little bit more drop. Like if Bitcoin will test the 61.5K, what we discussed before in the Bitcoin charts, then I think Pepe can also go back again around 900. And maybe that's again a good moment to buy around the previous buy what I had, because this never, for me, this is always a red flag, guys. If you have a structure, if you put a support line here, and there is one candle, guys, one candle, one body candle close under this trend line, it's for me like, let's say 80% chance that it goes down from that point, that it doesn't bounce again back. 20% it bounce back again, but 80% normally it has some more downsides to go, and then it bounce back again, and then we retest again this highs. So I want to also share that with you guys, because like I said, guys, I want the same what I wish for myself for you, for you guys. And when I make a decision in my trades, like I did here, I want to share it with you guys. So you guys also maybe are in Pepe, and you are maybe in DAOP or something. Then maybe sometimes a little seeing what other people doing in the market is good for you. Like, this is not financial advice. I don't say, okay, you should short here, or you should go out the market here. Also with Pepe, that's absolutely not what I'm trying to say. Just I'm saying that how I trading, this is a moment for me, and I explain why it's a good moment for me to go out. And then maybe you can make your own decision. Of course, you make your own decisions, but then at least you have some like second opinion or something like that, however you want to call it. So guys, I think that's enough for today. Tomorrow we are back with a new great episode. Maybe we find some new things. Maybe the Bitcoin price gonna make some crazy move. What we're gonna discuss tomorrow. I wish you all a great day. I know you guys also love the crypto love in this channel is high. I feel it in the comments. I feel it in everything, guys. I think we're gonna make a great Q4. Don't be worried, don't be sad. Sometimes we have a pullback, but everything is okay, guys. We are strong, we are in strong hands, we are in a strong community and a strong channel. We have some good knowledge, so we're gonna survive this Q4, guys. And I wish you also a great day. I see you tomorrow. And if you have some news, or you want to see some new things, or you have something new, or anything, maybe a new coin or something, questions, don't doubt, ask it. Feel welcome to ask it in the comments. I answer it with pleasure, guys. Because like I said, we are one family, we are one group, and we have a one goal, guys. See you all tomorrow, hopefully. Have a fantastic day. Bye bye, guys.